shooted right in front of my music teacher back during school days. This is what I do when students are asked to play the recorder. Pretending I'm playing with no sound coming out. I should be in acting class instead of music class. I'm a total musical idiot if there's such a term for it. I've got no sense of rhythm or beat. I sing off key, and this being spelled looks like alien language to me. Last week, we were strolling through a Heartland mall, and my daughter saw a children piano on sale. She's into K-pop, music, and dance, and wanted that piano so badly. So we got that for her as an early birthday present. And she signed me up for an online piano course. I'm an idiot in music, for goodness sake. My daughter took a couple of hours to play this tune, but it took me intense effort and lots of practice for 7 days to finally play a passable rendition. It's the same in business. Knowing is one thing. We need to take massive action, put in the effort and implement what we learn to get successful results. With enough practice, I hope to play the piano like this one day.